Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 17 Woodfield Road. It's a lovely Edwardian 4-bedroomed mid-terrace property situated along a very popular road close to King's Heath and Moseley. And then into the property, we've got the vestibule which leads into this hallway here. You can see some original Minton tiled flooring. The staircase up to the first floor, and the hallway carrying through there to the dining kitchen. First off, on the right hand side, we've got the two reception rooms. So we have nice high ceilings and then a good view into the rear garden. And then we've got these folding doors leading through to the next reception room. Then moving through the hallway, we have another window here to the right hand side. There's also a built-in understair storage cupboard. And then into the dining kitchen. We've got a cupboard there which houses the gas boiler. Move through to the storeroom. That's useful. And then there's also a utility area with space for washing appliances. And there's also a toilet and wash basin through here as well. Okay, so up onto the first floor, and we can see we have a split level landing here. We also have 4 bedrooms and the bathroom on this floor. And starting with the bedrooms here to the front of the property, you can see the sash window there to the front aspect. Next bedroom here, again having an aspect to the front of the property. We've also got built-in double and single wardrobes, nice high ceilings. And then through to the next bedroom, again built-in wardrobes and a sash window. Then into the bathroom. So we have the bath with shower above and WC, and also the wash basin. And then moving across to the rear of the property, where we have the Final bedroom. Again, sash window. That's the side aspect. And there's also a good size built-in storage cupboard just in the corner behind the door there. Okay, then moving out into the rear garden. We have a really good sized patio section here. And there's the gated access which leads through to the front of the property. And then on to the main garden. You see we have the shaped lawn section which leads down to a further patio area and the space for a table and chairs. Then we can just look back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing for this house. If you would like to arrange physical viewing, then just give us a call as soon as you can, and we'll speak to you very soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.